Hi 6th class student, this is Priyanshu. In today's video we are going to see our second chapter whole numbers exercise 2.1 solution in this video. Okay, so let's see this exercise 2.1, and believe on me, in the end of this video you will have not a single doubt in this exercise 2.1. okay, so as you see here, the first question is given: which of the statements are true and which of the statements are false? Correct the false statement. Okay, so where we get the false statement, we have to correct it. Okay, so let's see this one, which is true and which is false here. So first question is that there is a natural number that has no producers. So you can say, is there any natural number which has no producer? So first of all, what is the mean by producer and succeeder? So let's suppose this is 5. So the number which is going forward, like 6, 7, 8, these are the succeeder. Succeeder means going plus one numbers forward. Forward means that side, that is going plus 1 forward. And producers means the number which is going like 4, 3 in backwards, one number backwards. Like what is the if a question is asked you, what is the succeeder of 4? Succeeder of 4 means the number which is going forward, so you have to add plus 1, so that is going to 5. 5 is the succeeder of 4. What is the producer of minus 4? So producer of minus 4 is it is 3 only. It is 3. It is 3. Why? Because producer means one step back. Okay, like this is 2. What is the succeeder of 2? It is 3. What is the producer of 2? It is 1. So whenever it's asking about succeeder, you have to add plus 1 with the number. If it is asking producers, we have to minus 1 number with that. Okay, so I hope you will understand. Now let's see this one. So I will erase this. Okay, now so here it is telling that you have see what is the natural number. The first natural number start from 1. So what is the producer? If you take the producer of minus 1, it is going to be minus 1 into minus 1, it is going to be 0. So 0 is not a natural number, it is a whole number. So the statement is true. There is a no natural number that has no producer, because natural number have no producer, because if you take the producer it becomes 0. So this statement is true, that natural number does not have any producers. Okay, so this is our true statement, so we will write here true. Okay, now the second question is that 0 is the smallest whole number. Yeah, because whole number start from 0 and it is go till infinity, because numbers is endless. So whole number start from 0. So the smallest whole number is 0 only. If you ask about what is the biggest whole number, so you cannot define, because it will be lakh, it will be crore, it will be the millions of crore, it will be trillions of crore. So we cannot say the biggest whole number, but we can say the smallest whole number, that is 0. So that statement is also true here. Okay, now the third question is that a whole number, a natural number is like whole number start from 0 and it's go till infinity, but a natural number start from 1 and it's go okay, so it's go till infinity. Okay, so the question is asking that all whole numbers are natural numbers. If you see in whole numbers, 0 is also there, but in natural number it is 0 is there? No. So we cannot say that all whole number is a natural numbers. All whole numbers are not natural number, but all natural numbers are whole numbers, because 0 is a part of whole number, but in natural number 0 is not there. So it is totally wrong. Whole is not a natural number, but natural number start from 1, but in whole number it start from 0, it have 1 also. So it is clearly that natural number will be the whole number, but whole number cannot be a natural number, because whole number start from 0 or natural number start from 1. So the 0 which is present in whole number, it is not in the natural number, so that's why it is false. All whole numbers are natural numbers? No, it is false. So we will write here, let's erase first of all this. Okay, so we will write this, it is a false, it is a false. Okay, so here how we can correct this? We will write here all natural number are whole number. So we can write here all natural number. Okay, natural number you can write. Okay, this is natural. All natural number are whole number. Because natural number start from 1 and whole number start from 0. So it contain all the natural numbers. That's why. Okay, now here a whole number that lies on the number line to the right side of the another numbers is the greater than number. So actually this fourth question is true. Okay, how it is true, I will explain you here. It is true because a whole number that lies on the number line, let's suppose this is a number line, here it is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is the only our whole number. Okay, so it is telling on the number line the right side of the another number is greater. If you see this is a right side, this is 1 is there, is it greater, is 2 is greater? Yes. If you see 0 and if you see the right side 1 is greater than 0, yeah, it's true. If you see 1 is there, if you see the right side is 2 is there, so 2 is greater than 1. If you see this is 2, and if you see the right side is 3 is there, so 3 is greater than 2, so this statement is true. Okay, now let's see the fifth one. A whole number on the left side of another number lies in the greater. No, actually this fifth one is false because we already see this is a false. Why? Because this is a natural number, it's 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Okay, let's suppose if you see the numbers line, it is telling a whole number, the left side in the, if you see the left side of the number line, it is greater. If you see the 4, this, if you see the left this is a 4. If you see the 4, what is the left side of the 4? It is 3 is there. Is 3 bigger than 4? No, 3 is not bigger. 3 is smaller than 4, so it is not greater. So this is a statement is wrong. If you see the 3 also, okay, I erased it only. Okay, so if you see the 3 also there, if you see the 3 is if 3 is there, then see the left of the 3, left side of the 3, the left side of the 3 is 2. Is 2 greater than 3? No, 2 is not greater than 3. 2 is smaller, 3 is greater, so this also is wrong. If you see the 2 also, and what is the left side of the number of 2? That is 1. If you see 1 and 2, which is greater in this? 2 is greater, but he is telling that whatever the left side of the whole number, it have to be greater. 1 is greater? No, it is not greater. When you compare 4 and 3, 3 is greater? No, it is not greater. When you compare 3 and 2, which is greater? 3 is greater. So left side numbers are not greater, these are the smaller. Okay, so that's why this statement is false. Okay, I hope you will understand easily. Okay na? So now what we have to write in the fifth statement, the whole number on the left side, another number of the lies is a smaller. We will write it is a smaller. Simply write it is the smaller. Or you can say let it be. I can write very neatly here. I will use this pen only. Okay, so I will write the whole number, the left, I can write like that only. The left of another number, the left of another number on the number line, on the number line is smaller. So you have to write smaller. Okay, now this is enough. Now see the sixth one. Okay, we cannot show the smallest whole number on the number line. We can't. Actually it is wrong. The smallest whole number is like this, is the smallest whole number is 0, and this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So we cannot. Will we show the smallest whole number is 0? We already show the 0 in the number line. We can show the smallest whole number on number line. The smallest whole number is 0, and we are representing the 0 on the number line. We can show the 0 on the number line like that. I already showed this one. If you see this, I already showed the 0 on the number line. So this question is telling we cannot represent. This is telling we cannot represent 0 on the number line, but I am telling we can represent the 0 on the number line. We represent this, so this statement is false. So we will write this is a false statement. Okay, now it is this. And now what we have to write here for the that purpose. Now we will write fifth one here. This is the sixth one, right? We can show the smallest whole number on the number line. So we can write here we can. Okay, we can show. Okay, we can show the smallest whole number on the number line. We can write this one here. Okay, the smallest whole number. Okay, whole number on the number line. Okay, nu means that's number only, and then you can write the line. Okay, you can write same from here. We can after the we can write, you can write this all things here and then close the bracket. That's enough. Okay, then the seventh one, we can show the greatest whole number on the number line. Let's suppose this is a number line. Smallest whole number start from 0, and the greatest whole number is, this is a 8 6. If you put 0 0 0 0 0 also, then you cannot define the greatest whole number. So this is, we already know that whole number start from 0 and it's go till infinity. Infinity means you cannot say the greatest number. If I ask you what is the greatest number, so you cannot say that what is the greatest number of a whole number. It is not possible to say. If you say million, if you put another 0 on the million, it will change, it will become the million to billion. If you say no, trillion is the greatest, so if you put 2 zeros in the trillion, it become billion. If you put 2 points on the billion, it will become some different, it will become 10 million billions something. So that's why we cannot show the greatest whole number on number line. It is not possible. He's saying that we can show the greatest whole number on number line. In this whole world, anyone cannot say the greatest number, which is the greatest. If there is a 4 and 6 in this one, we can easily say. But if I say what is the greatest number of whole number or natural number or any number in this universe, then you cannot say the greatest number in this universe. We can compare in two numbers, like this is 2 and 10. We can compare in this one which is greater, which is smaller. But in this one, in whole number, in natural number, in integers, we cannot say that which is the greatest. We can say this is a smaller. In integers also we cannot say it is a smaller. In whole number we can say 0 is a smaller. In natural number we can say 1 is a smaller. But which is the greatest, we cannot say that. So this statement is false here. Okay, so this statement is false. So what we have to write? We have to write false. Why I written false? Because this question is telling we can show the greatest whole number on number line, but it is not possible. So what we have to write? We have to write this statement is false. Then we will write we cannot. Then we have to write we cannot show the greatest whole. From here we can write whole number. Okay, this is whole number on the number line. You can write on the, this is number and this is line. Okay, on number line. Simply this question is still here only, it is completed. Now let's come to the second question. The second question is that how many whole numbers are there between 26 and 27 to 46. Between the 27 to 46, how many whole numbers are there? Let's write it. So if you compare, it is 27. We will count from the 28. Okay, because 27 is already given, so we cannot write the 27. So we will count from the next one. So that is a 28, 29 and 30. I think this pen is not looking to you. Okay, I will use this one. 30, then 31, then 32. Okay, then 32, then 33, then we will 34, then 35, 36, 37, 38 and 39, 40, 41, 42 and 43 and 44 and 45. That's enough till here. Why it is enough? Because it is asking from 27 to 46, whatever the number between them, we have to tell about that one only. Why I didn't write 26? Because 26 is already given, that's why I didn't write. Why I write 45 till 45? Because 46 is already given here. 46 is already given here, that's why I didn't write 26 and 46, because we have to find the numbers between them only. So we cannot write 26 and 46. We directly write whatever the number which is occurring between the 27 to 46. Okay, so how many numbers occurred here? Let's see this one. So how many numbers occur? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 numbers. So the total number is 18. Okay, so we can write this 18. We can write here 18. 18's we can write 18 whole number. 18 whole numbers are there between 27 and 46. Over. This is completed. Now come to the question number, this one. Find the following using the number line. We have to find this by using the number line. So let's find it out. But before going to find it, I need a space, because here is not a space. So I will manage the something here to be. Okay, I will take it down, then I will be let it back. I will be first take this one here, and now take this. Okay, now let's come here. So here the first question is that find the following in the number line. We have to find it in the number line. So how we will find? If you add 6 plus 7, it is 613. Okay, 13 plus 7, it is totally 20. So how we will represent 20? So we have to first add and write 20. It is, if you add, it will be 20. If you subtract, it is going to be 9. 18 minus 9, it is 9 only. If you 5 cross 3, it is 15. Okay, now let's represent this on the number line. So for the representing purpose, I take it as a big. Now let's take, this is 1. Okay, I will take another one. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, now let's represent this. This is a 1. Okay, this is very big. Okay, now this, let's let it, this is I can write with the white pen only. This is your 0, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and that's the 20. Okay, 20 is here, 20 is this point. So how will we represent this one here? So for representing this, we have to go first 6, from 0 to 6. Why I'm going 0 to 6? Why I'm not going 0 to like 1 to 6? So if you count here, one thing, if you go from 1 to 6, then what will happen? Let's count. If you go 1 to here, that is 1. From 2 to 3, that is 2. 3 to 4, 3. That is 4 to 5, that is 4. Here to here, that is 5. If you go from 1 to this 6, it is the 5 only. If you count 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. That's why in number line, whenever you start representing the number, we have to start from the, always you have to start from the, where you have to start from the 0. If you start from 0, we have to go 6. Start from 0. This is 1. Now this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6. Now it is going to 6. Okay, always start number from the 0. If you start from 1, you will see 1 from the 6, like that. If you see 1 from the 6, like if you see 1 from the 6 one, then it is a totally not a 6 digit, it is 5. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So if you start from the 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6. Always start from the 0. In a number line, whenever you try to represent a number, always start from the that's one, from the 0. Okay, so now let's start this one. So we have to go through the 6, so we can directly go 6. Then after 6, we have to go to 7. From 7, where it is? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and this is 7. So we have to go directly 13, and then after we have to go 7. Now again 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So again 20. So this is our number representation in this one. Okay, so is it clear to you? Now let's represent this number. Okay, so I will use this one to here for the balancing purpose. Okay, na? Because the space is very constricted here. Okay, na? So now let's take it 0 here. So here we have to take the from 0 to 20. Okay, so let's take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now let's write the number. Okay, so write the number. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Okay, now we have to go. Where we have to go? We already know 18 minus 9, that is 9. So we have to go first of all 18. So for we have to go 18. From where we have to start? We have to start from 0 0. Then 18, where it is here, so we have to always start from 0, because if you go from 1 to 18, then it is 1 2 3 4, it is 17 only. Okay, so we always have to start from 0. So where we have to go? We have to go directly in the 18. Okay, now I come in the 18. Now we have to go minus 9. Minus 9 means you have to go back minus 9. So if you count, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, 8, 9. We have to go directly minus 9. So we have to back, we have to come from that place. So our answer will be 9 only. So we have to go first 18. We already go 18 here, you can see. Okay, now we have to go minus 9. Minus 9 means we don't have to go forward, we have to go backward, because this is a minus 9. So that's why I come back to the here. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So I already come back to this place. Okay, this is 9. So this is our number representation. I hope you will understand. So I will erase this one, and I will represent from 18. We all come here in this one. Okay, now it is clear. Now it is 5 cross 3. So let's do this 5 cross 3. This is a very easy. So here we will always, so if one thing here I want to explain here, whenever if you multiply this, then it is going to be okay, if you multiply this 5 cross 3, then you have to multiply by 3 to 5. 3 5 that's 15. Don't think like it is 5 into 3. We always do like that. 5 cross 3, it means that what it is, 5 multiplied by 3. Okay, so we will take the number 3 in this one. You will say why we don't take the 5? Because whenever we start writing this on the, like in general form, if you write this 5 cross 3 in general form, we will write like this 5 cross 3, and here we will multiply this 3 into 5. Okay, if it is like, if you think like 5, if you think like 3 multiplied by 5, then this equation will be like that. When this equation is like that, we will do like that. But this equation is 5 cross 3, it means that 5 is upper, 3 is down. So we will do with multiply by 3. So we will start with 3 only. Okay, so let's come to the topic and do this again. Okay, so we have to use this. So we have to go here, and now, okay, actually I think we need a space for that. Okay, now, so here we have I will represent till 20 only. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17, and that's 18. Till 18 it is over. Okay, now let's write this. Okay, so I will write here, and this is very big. Okay, right, we have to write from this. This is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, and here we can say this is 16. Okay, now it is 16 till here. Okay, let's do this. Now how we have to go? We know that 5 cross 3 means it is going to be 5 into 3. So we have to multiply 3 into, if you count 3 table into 5 times, it is 15. So we have to go 3 into 5 times. So if you count 3 table, let's go first 3. Okay, 3 1 ja 3. Okay, we have to go 5 times. 3 2 ja 6, we have to go 6. Okay, first count 3 1 ja, then 3. In second count 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, this is a third time. 3 4 ja, that's 12, this is a fourth time. 3 5 ja 15, in the fifth time we come to our position. So this is the only thing which we have to represent, and I hope I explained this in very well to you, and I hope you will understand. Okay, now I will go the next one here. So actually here I don't have that time and space, that's why I take it here. So don't worry, I take this question in the downwards. Let's solve this question here first. So the question is telling, in each pair state which whole numbers on the number line is on the right of the other number. Okay, so generally we have to say which is the right on the right and which is the not right on this one. So actually this 895 is there. Okay, I'm really sorry. Okay, this is 895 is there, 239 is there. So it is asking that 295 is on the right of 239. Okay, if you represent the number line, if you represent this number line, then first of all you will write 239, then you will write 895 like that. So this is asking that the number line on the right on the other number. So what is the right on the if this is there, what is the right of this? This is the 895. So what is the left of the 895? There is another number that is going to be 894, is it left of the number side, but it is also in the left side of the number line. So we have to write this 895 is on the right of 239. If you see this 239 is there. So what is the right of the number? We have to write only the right of the number. So if you see this 895 is there, 235. What is the right number? If you see 235 is there, if you take the right side is this one only na. So in this number, in this direction, which number is there? 895 is there. But when it's talk about the left side, so when we go to the left side is here. Left side, if you 895 is there, what is the left side of this? This is 239. So that's why it is, we have to write like that. Okay, now so we will write here the first question answer is 895 is the on the right. So 895 is the right side. Why? Because if we take it, this is the 895 and this is 239. I written both of this because 293 come first, then it will come the second one times. Okay, so if you compare from 895, which is right, there is a nothing number. But if you compare from 239, which is on the right side, 895. So in this one, which is come on the right, so here we can write 895 is on the right 895 is the right of, actually, you know, okay, this is right of 239. Okay, this question is clear. Now let's complete this question. Okay, this is not erasing. Okay, it is working. Now the another question is this is given. Okay, this is 101, then after if you go 102, 100, then after 1001 come. In this one, which numbers come left side of right side of this? If you go right side is this. If you see this number in the right side, this 10001 will come. If you go in the left from the here, left side only it is coming, but in right side, if you count in the right side, this number of the right side 10001 is coming. But if you go from this number to right side, there is no number. So 10001 is on the right side of the 101. Okay, right. So let's write this one here. Okay now, so I can write here. Okay, why I'm using this a lot of time. Okay, so here we can write here 1 2. This is a generally, if I count, this is a 10,001. Okay, 10,001 is on the right side of the 1001. Okay, that's enough. Okay, now if you count this is a ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore. This is a 1 crore and this is a 2 lakhs. This is a 2 lakhs. So which will come first? 2 lakhs will come first. This is a number line. So first of all 2 lakhs will come, then crore will come. So in this one, if you go to the right, which come first? This one come in the right side, and from if you count from here in this one, it's come right. From this one it's come right. If it's suppose if it is a 2 and it is a 4, so which one come on the right? Right is this direction. If you compare 2, right, in the right direction 4 is there, but in the 4 if you compare from the 4, if you compare on the right side, there is a no number. So 4 is on the right side. So like that only here crore is there, here lakhs is there. This is here lakh is there, here crore is there. Which is the right side? Crore is the right side. So we have to write this one. Okay, this question we have to write. Okay, so now I will erase this one. Okay, so we will write here 1001568 is the right side of 284013. Okay, now it is clear. I hope it is clear to you, and I hope you will not have doubt in this one section. Okay, now let's come to the fifth question. the fifth question looking very small. Make the smallest whole number on the whole. Actually this is very easy question. Let's put it in the some above to them. I try to, okay, I think it is going to be very difficult. Okay, I think I will arrange this. Okay, now so it is telling that mark the smallest whole number. The smallest whole number is 0. Okay, so the smallest whole number is 0 and the greatest whole number we cannot say that. Okay, so the smallest whole number is 0. We have to represent the smallest whole number on number line. The smallest whole number is 0. We have to represent 0 on the number line. So let's represent this one. So I will take first of all a line here. Okay, I will decrease this one. Okay, now I take this line. Okay, I will take this line. Okay, this is a line, and I will put the signs 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and here. So there is a show number, so we will start from 0. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and something, it's going on. So in this one, which is the smallest whole number? The smallest whole number is 0. So where it is, here it is. So you can write like that. Otherwise you can draw a line and you can just mention the 0 and then you can leave this question. Okay, you cannot have to write this question also. You can do like that also, or you can do like that also. Both are correct, nothing in this one. Okay, now this is our 7th question. Approach the symbols greater and not greater. So actually I will tell about this symbol to you. I will wait a minute once again here. I will take this question down. Okay, this, what is, okay, this is not going, but okay, it's totally coming in one section only. Okay, now if you see the 6th question, I have something interesting to tell you about it. This both symbols are there, so where we have to use. So always remember, this symbol is always, this mouth, you see, this mouth is always open on the greater side. Which number is greater? The mouth open in that side only. This mouth, you see, this mouth open always in the greater side. How? This is a 4 is there, this is 2 is there. In this one, 4 and 2, which is greater? 4 is greater. So its mouth always open on the greater side. Okay, and let's suppose this is 2 and it is 4. So now you know this symbol we use. So actually both symbols are same only, but we change like according to that. Okay, but in this one, like in 4 and 2, which is greater? 4 is greater. So that's why its mouth is open here. In this one, 2 and 4, which is greater? 4 is greater. So its mouth turn like that, because this is the same only, but it's changed according to the greatest number. Here in the left side the greatest number is there, so it's turn left side. Here the greatest number is in the right side, so it's turn right side. Like that, if I take you, this is 8 and this is 10. Okay, this is 10 and this is 8. Which is greater in this one? 10 is greater, so it's turn like that. When 10 is the left side, sorry, it is in the right side. 8 is in left, 10 in the right side. In this one, which is greater? 10 is greater, and where it is 10 in the right side. That's why it's turned like that. Here the 10 is greater in 8 and 10, which is greater? 10 is greater. So 10 in which side? It is in the left side. That's why it's turned like that. So generally we use this symbol only for the greatest. Where is the greatest number? Is its mouse turn in that side only. From here 8 and 7, which is greater? 8 is greater, so its mouse turn that side. Here 5 and 2, which is greater? 5 is greater, so its mouse turn that side. 0 and 1, which is greater? 1 is greater, so its mouse turn that side. From 10 and 5, which is greater? 10 is greater, so its mouse turn that side. Which number is greater? Their mouth turn in that side only. Okay, I hope it is clear clear to you. Okay, now our question, next question is that 7th question. This is our last question. Place the successor of 11th and producers of 5 on the number line. You know, I already told you, successor, this is 2. What is the successor of 2? If it asking successor means plus 1. Successor means plus 1. Producers means it is going minus 1. Producer means minus 1. Like that, if I ask you 5, what is the successor of 5? You have to always remember plus 1. It is going to be 6. What is the producer of 5, it is always remember minus 1, then it is going to be 4. So successor means one step forward, means plus 1. Producers means one step back, means minus 1. Let's suppose this is 3. What is the successor of 3? What is the successor of 3? It will be 4. What will be the producer of this 3? It is going to be 2. Always remember this type of things. When people ask you about successor means success. Right now you are in this position. When you build success in your exam, you will go to the 7th class, you are success. But producer means, if you, let's suppose your exam is not clear, you will be in the previous class only, okay, like that, like you are in the 6th class. So when you success, you will go in the 7th class. Let's suppose you will not pass the 6th class, you will be in that class only. But if it is a like anything rule that you will not pass, then you will go to the your next previous classes. So you will go in the 5th class. So you are the 6th class. If asking about successor means plus 1, that is going to be 7. If it is asking about producers means minus 1, that is going to be 5. I hope you will understand the successor and producers. Now let's create the number line. Okay, so let's erase this one. Okay, so now let's create a number line. Okay, so here I will take the number line. This is a number line. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm using this one. Okay, this is our number line. Okay, so this is a 1 plus 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. I will take the till 16 only. Now we have to represent the number. We will represent, this is a 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay, so always remember, I written this is our number line. Simply this is, I make the number line. Now we have to see what will happen right now. Successor of 11 is there. What will be successor? Successor means plus 1, one step forward. So it is going to be 12. The successor of 11, so this is a 11. So the successor of 11 will be, if you add 1 plus 1, then it's going to 12. So the successor of 11 will be 12. This is, I already did on the number line. Okay, now it is asking about producer of 5. This is 5. Producer means one step back, means minus 1. So what will be the producer of 5? That is going to be 4. So what will be the producer of 5? That is the 4. So we can do like that also. You can generate the symbol. So this is the only graph. Okay, this is, if you don't want to show this number, you can don't show this number. Over, this is enough. But if you want to leave it like that, okay, if you want to leave it like that, this is also right. If you do like that also, it is also right. But if you don't want to do like that, then you can if you don't want to do like that, then you can just leave it like that. Okay, you can erase these numbers, you can erase this. Okay, you can also erase that, but nothing will problem. This is also right, this is also right, and if you leave it like that also, this is also right. Both are right only. Okay, so I explained our exercise, and I give my 100% to explain this exercise 2.1, and I hope dear you will also understand. Okay, so if you have any doubt or any confusion in this exercise, or anything you have a doubt in any chapter in mathematics, so don't worry about it, just write the comment. Okay, just write the comment and leave it like that. Okay, and definitely I will clear your doubt. Okay, whenever in any subject of mathematics, in any chapter in the mathematics, if you are getting doubt, so don't worry about it. In other subject also, if you also getting doubt, then don't worry about it, just write your doubt in the comment. Okay, and definitely I make the video on it, and I will clear your doubt. Okay, so don't think you are the anything. You all students are special for me, so don't think I'm not a special or something. You all are the very special for me. So don't think I will not write the comment because what will think or what will not think, they will respond or not, they will make video or not. So don't worry about it. I am always here to help you only. I want to teach you mathematics very excellent way. If you are weak in mathematics, so I will teach mathematics very expensively and very strongly to you. You will be master in mathematics. Don't worry about it. If you have anywhere doubt in mathematics or any subjects, don't think anything. Just give your doubt on the comment. Okay, write your doubt on the comment and I will make the video on your doubt and I will teach you that doubt. I will solve that doubt. Mathematics is all about getting the doubts and solving the doubt. Okay, I hope it is clear to you, and this exercise is totally clear and you will understand or not. Definitely comment that. And if you didn't understand, I will repeat which question you didn't understand. Tell me, I will repeat that question again. And this video I'm going to be stop here only, and we will meet in the next video. We will see you soon. Jai Hind.